you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have some products to show you by Kitch. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this just arrived, and Kitch actually did send this to me for review. So thank you so much for sending me your products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys know, I absolutely love Kitch. I did their advent calendar. I did their mystery box. Plus I order from them throughout the year as well. I'm actually an affiliate of theirs, and I will have the link down below to like my storefront. If you click that link and you shop through my storefront or anything else that they have, but as long as you follow the link, you will save 15% off your purchase. So that's amazing. If you want to save some money, follow that link and you can save some money. But they actually sent this for me. I got an email saying thank you for your order, and I'm like, wait a minute, because the last thing that I did was the advent calendar, and then it said some Grinch products. I was like, oh wow, they're sending me stuff to show you guys. That's amazing. So that is what this is, and look at the box though. The Grinch collab with Kitch. That box is super, super cute. I might actually use this to put somebody's gift in this year and put a bow on it or something. That's so cute. I love the box. So let's go ahead and dive in. Again, I did see on my email like a list of different products. So I went through and I got the product information so I can tell you the pricing of each one of the products that they sent. So let's go ahead and cut the tape and see what they sent. So excited. When you open it up, it says every Who down in Whoville had hair shining bright, styled with Kitsch's goodies from morning to night, with scrunchies and clips keeping hairstyles in place, and pillowcases to keep locks smooth in satin embrace. A spritz of hair perfume so fresh, sweet, and true, even the Grinch couldn't help loving it too. How stinking cute is that? So here is a sneak peek to all of these amazing products that they sent. So let's go with this hair perfume right on top. It's the Whoville Cookies. I actually did purchase some of their hair perfumes, and one was in either one of the mystery box or the advent calendar. I can't remember. One of them had the same exact scent that I did purchase inside. So I have two of that one. So I think I have the cherry and the violet. I think I have two of the violet, one cherry, and now here is the Whoville Cookies. I really like them. They have a really nice scent to them. Not too strong, but not where you can barely smell. It's like the perfect right amount of scent. So let's see some cookies. Smells like fresh baked cookies swiped straight from Whoville's bakery. And that is what it looks like. So it has Grinch. Can't smell it just yet. Ooh. It does smell like a vanilla goodie, like cookie, like a vanilla shortbread kind of cookie. That does smell really good. But it's like a hair and body mist. They have several different scents, so you can definitely check them out. Again, shopping with my link, you'll save some money. So that right there. Oh, let me tell you the pricing, because I did get all of that. I did get that information for you. So this one right here shows that it's normally $24, and right now today it is on sale for $16.80. Now I don't know if you shop through my link if it brings it down even more, which I think it might, but right now this shows that it is on sale for $16.80. So there's the first thing, and it does smell really, really good. So it has a really nice scent. Oh, there's even a card in here, the Grinch with Kitch. And on here it says, a little of Whoville, whole lot of you. Straight from the Whoville, so merry and sweet. A glam little gift that's perfectly neat. With scrunchies, clips, and fragrance so rare, it's all bundled up for your most festive hair. So whether you're Grinchy or glowing with cheer, let your heart grow. Keep the magic near. That is just so cute. So it looks like that's what is going to be all in my box. So cool. So let's keep on going. The next item is this really cute clip. and it is the red like bow clip with the claw. That is stinking cute. So this right here, let me find it. This is normally $10, and today when I looked, it's on sale currently for $7. So right now it is on sale for $7, normally $10. But isn't that so cute? And like the packaging is just so adorable. So you have this clip. That is so cute. Now you have another hair accessory, and this is the Secure Hold one piece. See, I wish the one that came in, I think it was the advent calendar, was on their card, because then I would have known exactly what it was, because I was like, I think this just kind of goes in your hair. It didn't have the bow, it was just the regular clip, but this one does have the metal bow on the top, and it says it's for French hairpin, Secure Hold one piece. But isn't that super cute with the bow on it? That is really cute. So this one here is valued at $12, and currently the sale price is $8.40. Now we have, is this just a blank box to keep it all? Yeah, that was just a blank box to keep it all in the box secure. But that's cool because I do like keep these type of boxes. So if I have something small, like as a gift, I can put it in here and then wrap this. So I'm gonna keep this empty box. Now there's 3 items left. See, that was right there just to keep everything perfectly together. We'll go with this one here. It is the Extra Gentle 2-piece pillow scrunchies in satin. And I'll open these and show you what they look like. Here are both of them. These things are huge, you guys. Oh my gosh, and that is one scrunchie. That could like go around my whole entire head to hold my hair back like a headband. These are so big. But they have little, it's like lights, Christmas lights going all the way around. That is really cute. This thing is huge though. Holy moly, can you imagine putting it on your wrist when you have your hair down? That is huge. And then this print here, let me show you. Holy moly. I just don't have enough hair for, can you imagine how big this would be on my head if I had to like go 3 times for my thin hair? So if you have some longer or thicker hair, these would be probably absolutely amazing. It says Merry Christmas, and there's that print. Super, super cute though. And it feels really nice and soft with the satin little finish here. I'm gonna put these back on here because these are too big for my hair. So I am going to pass these down to somebody who would like to wear them. So there's your 2-piece satin scrunchie set. Now we have 2 different pillowcases, and these are both standard size. Now they do sell these in a king size. However, I wasn't given the option. So I have 2 standard size. My pillows are king size. So I will save these for somebody who has a standard size pillow and gift them to them. So this one here is called Whoville. There's several different styles. And they even have another new collab going on if you want to check that out. But they have Disney, they have so many different prints, regular prints, solid colors. When it comes to their satin pillowcases, there's so many different styles, colors, and designs with the standard and the king size option for the sizes. So this one here is normally $22, and it shows it's on sale for $15.40. And that would be the same price for this one. The king size would be $26 with a sale price currently of $18.20 if you wanted to know the difference between the two. But again, these are both in the standard size pillowcases. Oh my gosh, that is amazing that they sent me this little PR package with the cutest box and all of these products. So a quick recap, you have 2 different standard pillowcases. You have this scrunchie set. You have this that smells so good for your hair perfume. You have this clip and this clip. All right, you guys, so again, that is everything that they sent for me to show you a part of their Grinch line. So again, I will have them listed down below in the description box if you want to pop on over, check them out, save some money with my link. and all of that. If you do order anything, let me know what you've got. Let me know what you think about it. So again, I will have them listed down below for you. If you would like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, so again, don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.